Low-volume production is a rapid production stage prior to mass production that does not require investment in expensive toolings, but allows design flexibility, shortens time to market, and saves costs potentially. In addition, it provides agility and quick turnaround for on-demand manufacturing in the supply chain. Hi, I'm Rebecca, a project manager at Wayken. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how Wayken controls the quality of CNC machine parts in low-volume production. In the CNC machining industry, small trial runs are very common. Limited edition sports cars, customized rehabilitation medical robots, industrial drones, security cameras, space robots, etc. The demand for these products is relatively small, perhaps around 100 to 1,000 sets per year, but the quality of the products is of high standard. It is especially important to find a manufacturer that can guarantee the highest quality standards and at the same time provide timely and fast DFM. However, many prototype factories cannot cope with the process and quality control requirements of mass production. On the other hand, a high-volume manufacturer may be reluctant to work on a low-volume product. If you're looking for a high-quality CNC machine shop for your low-volume production, then Wayken is your best choice. Without further ado, let's get right into the process. Once a customer places an order, our engineering team steps in to translate the customer's drawings into our internal production format. This process ensures that the designs are more in line with our company standards, which helps prevent any misunderstandings or errors during production. The result? We boost both production efficiency and product quality. After the engineering drawings are carefully proofread and reviewed by our quality department, the engineering team creates a machining process plan. This plan is then reviewed in a joint meeting with both the production and quality departments to finalize the official process documents and fixture designs. With these documents in hand, the quality department develops control plan, which is called the CP, and standard inspection procedure, which is called SIP, to guide the production process. The control plan helps us pinpoint important dimensions, appearance, and structures for each process step, detailing how and when to measure and inspect parts. The SIP highlights key dimensions, measurement tools, and fixtures. We also need to finalize the inspection format with customers. These formats include handwritten reports, Excel format, and CMM reports. After the arrival of raw materials, quality department will inspect the material in accordance with the raw material inspection specification. If the material is okay, then the material can be transferred to the production line. The first round of the machining process is the first article. The first inspection includes a full-size report, including untoleranced dimensions. If the inspection report is NG, then we need to adjust the machine to improve. If the inspection report is OK, then we'll kick off production. Before mass production, the quality department will make a full-size first article report with customer's original 2D as the reference standard for size inspection. After the first article inspection and making everything is all set, our CNC production department will make standard operation procedure, which is SOP in short. At the same time, there are two things hanging on the machine for reference. One is the sample that we make. So after every process, our CNC machinist will compare the final product with the sample. Another one is the inspection report. Although they do not use it every time, but it's for reference as well. This is our SOP document, which clearly specifies the product clamping steps, machining methods, and precautions. During production, the quality department conducts regular inspections according to the plan. Inspectors use an in-process quality checklist which lists defects and how to handle them. Common defects include issues like materials, appearance, features, dimensions, assembly, and functionality. When an inspector finds a defect, they record details like the description, quantity, location, and the person who found it. Then they notify the technician to adjust the machine and chase back to sort defective products, marking them as scrape or rework and storing them in designated areas. This step prevents more defective products from being produced. To boost production efficiency and ensure on-time delivery, we've created a detailed production plan. This plan breaks down the project into a step-by-step schedule, which guides daily tasks and helps our team organize, direct, and coordinate production. Every morning at 10:30, we hold a meeting to update the project's progress and ensure everything is on track. Our goal for on-time delivery rate is more than 88%. Finished product rate is more than 95%. And customer satisfaction rate is more than 90%. Our quality department then checks the part size and appearance using our full range of testing tools to ensure everything matches the drawings. The inspection room is equipped with 2 CMMs, one Zeiss with an MPE of 2.1 microns, and the other is Series Hexagon with an MPE of 3 microns. A CNC image dimension measurement system, which can measure multiple parts at the same time. Just to put the parts on the table, and the inspection data will come out within a minute or two. Such a measurement tool can allow us to finish the inspection work quickly, which is perfect for volume projects. There are also height gauges, 3D scanners, roughness tester, hardness gauges, and more. Regarding the measurement of precision and threaded holes, we have a variety of specifications, and most of them you see are from my tutorial. Our standard sampling plan is based on MIL-STD 105E with 0 defects, as shown in the table. At this stage, we promptly handle any defective products by marking and isolating them on site. After review and analysis, we decide whether to rework, repair, accept them with concessions, or scrap them. More importantly, we quickly analyze and adjust any issues in the manufacturing process to ensure quality standards. At Wayken, we are dedicated to delivering high-quality custom parts that meet your design specifications. Through extensive low-volume CNC manufacturing, we continuously enhance production management, process improvement, supply chain collaboration, and cost control. Our goal is to boost customer satisfaction with efficiency and competitive price. See you next time!